Survived night 2. The hammock was actually pretty comfy, but the mosquitoes were really bad. All I could hear all night was them trying to get to me.
It's a stump. Stump. Convection of this thing. There's a lot of convection to it. Sometimes that's even hotter than fire.
They teach you that in fire school?
You did? And I felt it several times.
Here, nice and easy. There we go. Not too bad. Put my back in before it floats away. Okay, as always, I'm waiting on Brent. Yep. Yeah. Jesus.
Okay. Watch out, brother. Move it. Ready?
Yep.
Pull me. Give me it.
Ooh.
Good.
Easy, easy. Alright. We can't fill our water here. And I think they went over there.
Yeah, this one is definitely better than the other one.
Huh?
This one's better than the other one.
Yeah. Sure.
Portage 6.
5.
I think it's 6.
I don't think so. It's 5. We did 4 yesterday.
5, maybe 6. Whatever.
Alright, here, I'll take over.
I mean,
Sideways? Yeah. Just keep us out of rocks and logs. Good?
Yeah, it's clear. This is probably one of the clearest landings we've had.
Try to get us where he just picked the thing up at.
I'm good to hop out.
Alright. What was that?
See you again.
Got that balance. Nah, I'm good. Thank you, though. Give me back on the water. Boy, did that portage suck. Setting sail on the Tim River.
Alright,
Good. Alrighty. I'm hopping in, hold steady. Alright.
good?
Yep.
Alright.
Ready to launch. Cool.
Pretty good.
Oh yeah. Damn beavers.
Hey, damn.
Oh, hold on, slow down.
You just stay there. I'm gonna pull you through. I'm gonna pull you through.
Cool.
This is what they are.
Alright. Yeah.
Nick or Brent, just get out and tug them across.
Alright. Yeah, you could probably get in.
You sure?
Yeah, we could get it loose from here. Ready?
Paddle.
Hold on. Here. There we go. Not too bad.
He said that was the easy one,
Cool.
but that wasn't too terrible.
Nah.
Alright, bring me back home.
Yep. Alright, give me a push. Hop in.
Ready?
Oh, wait. Yep. Here's your oar.
Got it.
Yep. Other side. Huh?
Probably the deepest part we've seen yet.
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know.
I don't want my shit all dirty.
Oh yeah?
I mean, it's unavoidable a little bit, but this is fucked. Look at it. That's terrible.
I think it's Alright, just got done with portage number 2 of day 3, and man, did it kick my butt. I think it was about 1,200 meters, so I'm just waiting here for Dan and Brent to get back. Stan stayed in the river to go fishing for a little bit, but we got his pack out, so all he has to do is carry the canoe out here and meet us at camp. Great day though. Alright, just got campsite number 3 set up. Got a pretty cool view from our fireplace here. Or campfire. Yeah. I'll be hanging out with a super windy hammock tonight. With the boys getting camp going up here. And Stan's still fishing.
My sweet prince. Well, we got a nice fire going. Plenty of wood collected earlier and processed by the boys. These two are setting off to check on Stan.
Is your single pouch meaning refilled?
No, I haven't taken any out, so if you haven't, we're good. They're gonna go grab some water, check on Stan, make sure he's still fishing. It's 6 o'clock, we've been here for like 4 hours. And we have no way of seeing if he's like good or not, so they're gonna cross the lake real quick. Down over to that portage somewhere around that bend. Right around. If they don't come back, I got lots of food. Couple of tents. Yeah, you know, lots of supplies, so. There's also a family on this part. I could literally probably hike over or swim over. Yep, you can see him right there. Anyway, they're going to check on Stan. We'll see if he's alive and well. He could just be sleeping. He could just be, I don't know, mauled by a bear. Hopefully not the second one. He's probably just fishing though. This is the highlight of his trip. This is the Shaw Lake. Beautiful place.
Ready.
Godspeed, boys.
Later, brother.
See you soon. Alright. Stan made it. He's alive. We're making dinner. What are you having, Dan?
Chili mac and beef with the boys.
Chili mac and beef with the boys.
Oh,
Chili mac and beef with the boys. Yep, boiling some water. Oh, and a nice trick we learned from our friend Stan. If you put soap on the bottom of your pot, it makes cleaning that black shit off a hell of a lot easier. So I will be doing that from now on.
Alright, we got dinner cooking. We found Stan. He is alive and well.
You gotta get clothes on when you're drinking.